Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, lived a gentle woodcutter named Elara. She was known for her kindness and the beautiful melodies she sang while working. The villagers loved her, and the forest animals adored her presence. One day, as Elara ventured deeper into the forest, she discovered a glimmering stream that seemed to sing with the melodies of the wind. However, she noticed the water was muddied and the fish were struggling. Determined to help, Elara decided to find the source of the problem. Elara's journey led her through thick brambles and rocky paths. She met a wise old owl who warned her about a fallen tree blocking the stream upstream. With courage in her heart, Elara thanked the owl and pressed on, her determination unwavering. After a long trek, Elara found the fallen tree, its roots tangled deep in the earth. With all her strength, she pushed and pulled until finally, the tree rolled aside, allowing the water to flow freely once more. The fish danced joyfully in the clear water. When Elara returned to the villagers celebrated her bravery. The stream was restored and the fish thrived once again. Elara realized that sometimes even the smallest acts of kindness can create a ripple of change in the world. And so, dear listeners, remember that every challenge we face can lead us to help others. By showing kindness and determination, we can create a happier world, just like Elara did. Sleep well and dream of your own adventures.